In the vast digital universe, new forms of value, cryptocurrencies, are emerging and rapidly evolving, capturing the imagination of innovators and investors alike. Many people wonder, why aren't the world's biggest banks jumping in to invest? The answer lies in understanding their true role in the financial ecosystem. Banks aren't explorers or pioneers, they're more like engineers, carefully building stable bridges and reliable pathways that connect people and businesses. Their job isn't to bet on which new asset will succeed or to chase the next big thing. Instead, banks provide essential services that connect established systems, ensuring smooth, predictable, and secure transactions for everyone. Investing is about risk and speculation, planting a flag on unknown ground, hoping for future rewards, but facing uncertainty. Service, on the other hand, is about building the infrastructure, the spaceship, the landing pad, the network that makes exploration possible for others. Banks focus on custody, transfers, and compliance. They're not in the business of speculation or chasing volatile trends. When a bank holds your crypto, it's not investing on your behalf. It's offering a secure vault, protecting your assets with trusted systems. When it processes a payment, the bank isn't endorsing the asset's future. It's simply moving value from one place to another, efficiently and safely. Banks profit from service fees, not from the unpredictable swings in asset prices or market speculation. Their business is built on transaction volume, reliability, and robust infrastructure, not on risky bets or sudden windfalls. The real question is, what kind of digital universe can banks serve, and how will they shape the future of finance? Banks seek stability, clear rules, and large user bases before they fully commit to new technologies. They wait for digital economies to mature, moving beyond speculation and hype into the fabric of daily life and commerce. Only then do banks build bridges, connecting the world of traditional finance to the new digital frontier. Their role is not to gamble with your money, but to enable safe passage and trustworthy connections in a changing world. The future of banking in crypto is about service, security, and stability, not speculation. As the digital universe expands, banks will be there to guide, protect, and connect. What gives anything value? Is it the promise of future riches or something deeper, something earned and tangible? Historically, it was gold, land, resources, things earned through labor, sweat, and time. These were assets you could see, touch, and understand, built on the foundation of real effort. In the digital age, value must also be rooted in effort, not just speculation. The digital world is no different. True worth comes from what is built, not just what is promised. A digital asset's worth can't come from the hope someone will pay more tomorrow. If value is based only on anticipation, it's fragile, easily lost. It must be tied to digital labor, building, creating, participating. Every line of code, every contribution, every shared idea adds to its foundation. Imagine a currency made only for trading. Its value rises and falls on hype, not utility. It becomes a game of chance, not a tool for progress. This is a casino, not an economy. Here, luck replaces skill, and speculation overshadows substance. Speculation attracts gamblers, not builders, and fails to create lasting value. Without real work, nothing meaningful is left behind. True value comes when a digital asset is earned through real work, securing networks, building apps, growing communities, and solving real problems together. Each token should represent a piece of collective effort, a tangible result of collaboration and innovation. The value is in the infrastructure and community built along the way. It's the sum of every contribution, every connection, every shared goal. This is a shift from betting on stars to building them. We move from wishful thinking to purposeful creation. Value from labor is the foundation of enduring economies. It's what transforms fleeting trends into lasting legacies. When people invest time and talent, they create real utility. Their work becomes the backbone of a thriving system. The digital currency becomes a tool for exchange within a thriving digital nation, supporting innovation and rewarding contribution. Its value is anchored by the millions of hours of human effort behind it, making it resilient and meaningful. Only this path creates digital assets that last, assets that are built to endure, inspire, and empower generations to come. The first cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, were technological breakthroughs, but quickly became dominated by speculation. Most people engaged through exchanges, focused on price, not utility. When Moon became the mantra. Everyone was betting, not building. Initial coin offerings created barriers. You needed capital to participate, and early investors gained outsized influence. The ecosystem became a playground for traders, not users. Success was measured by trading volume, not real-world use. Technology was a means to speculation, not application. Volatility ruled, making these assets unsuitable for everyday transactions. The focus on buying and selling overshadowed real development. These digital casinos were a necessary first step, but only the beginning. The next evolution demands more than speculation. From the chaos and speculation of early crypto, a new and more inclusive model is emerging: contributory digital assets. These assets are designed to reward participation, not just investment, and are reshaping how value is created and distributed in the digital world. These projects ask, how can you contribute? Instead of, how much can you invest? They invite people from all backgrounds to get involved, regardless of financial status. Value is earned through meaningful actions: mining, running nodes, building apps, or supporting the network in creative ways. There are no ICOs, no early investor windfalls. Instead, currency is distributed to those who actively participate and help the ecosystem grow. This approach democratizes access, making it possible for anyone to earn and be rewarded for their digital labor and contributions. Users become true stakeholders, not just passive speculators, and have a real voice in the direction of the project. Mining or earning transforms into community building, fostering collaboration and shared purpose. The value of your holdings is now directly tied to the ecosystem's strength, growth, and real-world utility. Success is measured by real use: apps, transactions, goods, and services that people actually rely on every day. The currency becomes a practical tool for commerce and exchange within a thriving digital society. This is the evolution from speculative asset to functional currency, a new era where digital assets empower communities and drive real economic activity. The Pi network exemplifies this new philosophy. No ICO, no token sale. Pi can only be earned, not bought. Anyone with a smartphone can participate, making it globally accessible. Pi's distribution is an act of participation, not speculation. The network has grown to tens of millions, spreading value widely. Pi emphasizes real utility: KYC, developer platforms, and real-world applications. Its value will be determined by the strength of its internal economy, not exchange listings. Pi is a universe built by its users, for its users. Stars are born in stellar nurseries, ecosystems that nurture growth. Digital assets are no different. True value is born in thriving ecosystems, not exchanges. Exchanges show price, but not substance. Real value comes from economic activity within the network: apps, services, transactions. Each use case adds a layer of genuine demand. Communities drive value creation. They are the engine. When millions build and use apps, innovation accelerates. The measure of success is ecosystem richness, not market cap. Exchanges reflect value already created by the community. The real star factories are bustling, creative digital ecosystems. As contributory digital assets grow, banks' roles will evolve. They won't be primary investors. The risk is too high. Instead, banks will build bridges, connecting fiat and digital economies. Earn digital currency, use it in the ecosystem, then convert to fiat. Banks can provide this off-ramp. They'll charge fees for conversion, not speculate on price. Banks can also build on-ramps, helping businesses accept digital currencies. Their strength is in compliance, security, and processing, not speculation. Banks will be the operators of the spaceports, servicing all digital ships. Their future is in enabling interaction, not picking winners. For centuries, capital and labor drove economies. Now, digital labor, a blend of time, creativity, and computing, reshapes value creation. In the past, building global platforms required massive capital. Today, users themselves build the infrastructure through collective digital labor. This democratizes wealth creation. Anyone can contribute and earn. Digital labor is a universal resource, leveling the playing field. The most valuable asset is the community, not the treasury. Millions of engaged users are the engine of the new economy. Capital can buy tokens, but not communities. Digital labor builds enduring value in the digital cosmos. The evolution of digital assets is clear, from speculative tokens to self-sustaining digital economies. The future belongs to networks built by their users, not traders. The Pi network proves this model: currency earned through participation, not purchase. Pioneers are building their own economy, not waiting for price action. Banks will play a supportive, bridge-building role. Core value creation happens inside decentralized ecosystems. Power shifts from institutions to communities. Value reflects collective labor and engagement. Digital labor is the new force of value creation, accessible to all. The next economic expansion will be forged by global communities, not just capital.